Did I attract my chronic pain? Is that possible? And if so, why would I do that? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I do a lot of videos about chronic pain here. My chronic pain is due to many years with TOS, or thoracic outlet syndrome, and I've also had 3 lower back surgeries, including a recent double spinal fusion. So pretty much been in chronic pain all my adult life. Now lately, just recently, the last few weeks, I started doing some meditation and really kind of watching a lot of videos about meditation and spirituality and things like that. And a lot of the things I've been watching will say, you kind of attract what you put out into the universe. And so it kind of got me thinking a little bit, well, I have all this chronic pain. Is it possible that I attracted that to myself some way? I don't know why I would do that, but there seems to be other people. I notice in the comments there's other people like me that just have all this big long lists of things wrong with them, just kind of like I do. And it's like, is it possible that we not knowingly do something that attracts that? The funny thing is, when I first met my wife, who passed away 8.5 months ago now, but she was pretty healthy when I met her, and then after she started getting around me and was around me for a few years, she started having all these health issues and chronic pain as well. So it kind of got me thinking, gosh, is there something that I do to kind of attract that? Now, going way back when my pain first started, anyway, having problems swallowing. I used to work on a dairy ranch with my dad, and that's kind of when a lot of my pain first started, when I started milking the cows every day when I was 18 years old, squatting down, reaching out in front of the cows. That's when I started getting a lot of pain in the neck and the shoulders. And I also did a lot of weightlifting back then too, which I know now is like a big cause of TOS, or thoracic outlet syndrome. And so anyway, I kept doing these things, and I don't know why. Like, I went probably 10 years before I got diagnosed with TOS, and the guy that diagnosed me said, well, why did you wait so long? Why didn't you see doctors sooner? And the problem is I didn't know what to tell doctors. I'd go there, and then the symptoms wouldn't show up, and I didn't know what to tell them, and then they just give me some pills or something and make me feel stupid, and then I wouldn't go back for another year or 2 or whatever. And I just kept doing that until it got to the point where the pain was so bad I just couldn't do anything anymore. And then I started having the surgeries, and looking back now, working on the dairy was really never what I wanted. I just didn't know what else to do, but it was kind of like my dad had that all planned out for me, and so he built me a house and all this stuff. And then I got married young at 19, and it's like I was sort of just stuck in that. And I think deep down I knew my pain was getting worse, and it wasn't working out, and it wasn't right for me, and I should get out of that. But you're just kind of stuck. You got all these people dependent on you, and you're just kind of stuck. And I think that's probably what happens with a lot of people in chronic pain, is you're trying to please people. You got people dependent on you, and there's sort of no way to get out of it. Then pretty soon, when my body finally just was done, and I had surgery for TOS, and that made me worse, and I had lower back surgery, and that made me worse, and I couldn't work anymore. And then basically my dad kind of just kicked me to the curb and kicked me out of the house, and he didn't want nothing to do with me anymore. And then my wife left me, and it's like, gosh, all these people I was trying to please, when I couldn't do anything for them anymore, then they just kind of kicked me to the curb, and it made me think, gosh, you know, what was the point of all that? You know, it's like, so now I'm just learning, I got to just take care of myself and worry about myself. So that's kind of, you know, where I'm at. So doing all this meditation, I guess, just kind of has made me reflect on why, you know, I did all that. And I think that's the reason why. I just had people depending on me, and I was just trying to please them. And sometimes you just don't know how to get out of things. Unfortunately, I paid a big price as far as pain in my health, but you know, I'm working on trying to get that back now. So anyway, that's my video for today. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.
They love to do me wrong. I don't know why my life sounds like a heartbroken country song. I ain't really happy until the sky starts driving rain. Maybe I just get off